Hello to my first and second graders. Today, you will be making your craft for Oh the Places You Will Go. Your supplies, you will need a balloon, a bucket, 2 pieces of string, crayons, tape, and scissors. The first step you're going to do is you're going to take one of your crayons and you can color in your balloon. You can do many colors, any colors you want, any sequence. When you're finished coloring, it should look like this. The next step you'll do is you'll cut the outline of the balloon all along the black part. Once you're finished cutting, you'll take your bucket, and as you can see, it says, if I could go anywhere, I would go, and then be cut. This example says, if I could go anywhere, I would go to the zoo, because I want to see the tigers. So for my example, I will write to the beach. Because I want to play in the sand and the water. Once you're done writing your answer, you're going to take any color crayon you want and start coloring. Once you are done, you will cut the outline out. Now that you have your bucket cut out, you're going to flip your balloon and your bucket over. You're going to face them white side facing up. You're going to take each string and put it on an angle facing that way, and then another one facing that way. You're going to take a piece of tape it on the top, and then another piece of tape and tape it here on the bottom part of the top balloon, and then you're going to take another piece of tape, tape the first string on the bottom, another piece of tape, and tape it on this part. And then it will look like this in the end. Hope you had fun making our Oh the Places You'll Go craft, and just remember, you're on your own and you know what you know. You are the one who will decide where to go. Have a nice day.